وألون الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا وأراقب الرحمن.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Moaz Haq from Think Saudi, and today I'm in Jeddah showing you a beautiful villa which is about 270 square meters. You can see right behind me, it's gorgeous, very high finishing. It's got its own land area as well, about 225 square meter land. Gorgeous 4-bedroom villa with a maid's room. Let's go in and have a look. All right, so here we go. As soon as you enter, on your right, you got the men's area, which we call Majlis, right? Decent, enough couch space. And then this is the kind of hand wash area, which I like, which is on the outside. Typical Saudi style, really nice, convenient. You got a small bathroom there for the guests and so on. I like these switches, by the way, very clicky. All right, so now this is the private section in the middle of a dining area which has doors, right? So this way, the men can eat, the women can eat, like turn by turn, which is good. And then this is the family area. Then you got the, what is this here? This is a utility closet under the stairs. You got some like equipment there, the wiring and stuff. A little, here's the common family bathroom. Again, washing station, really nice. This is for the ladies' side or the family side. Got decent switches there. Here it has the shower option as well, in case that's needed. A little bit small, but fine. Now this is nice. Look at the kitchen size. Decent kitchen. Good, decent kitchen size here. And you got nice cabinet, nice countertops. Oh, and you actually, wow, look at that. You got a nice view where, you know, you can go out, have a seat, you can have a barbecue going, take that stuff out, right? So that was for the ground floor. Now let's go up. Okay, now this is something very interesting. You'll see in all the villas in Saudi that you have a seating area, a second, this is the third, by the way, a third seating area. Here's the kids' room. So you got the cabinets, the wardrobes on the side. And these wardrobes, they don't come built in, but I have a company that can manage this for your entire villa. They can do the job, and they're manufacturing the furniture. So we have some really good contact for that. Here's the ensuite bathroom with the bedroom. So here we have one master, and then we have another master as well. So this is the main one. You've got the walk-in closet here, right? This is the main master. So there's two masters and there's two kids' rooms. So here you got a decent shower area. Like it's like, you know, not super fancy, but it's good, decent, I would say, you know, decent quality, you know, good, decent, usable, you know, equipment they've used here, materials they've used here is pretty good quality, you know, stuff that's not just going to break the next day. So it's meant to be used properly for the average family. All right, so just showing you again all the rooms here. Sorry for the fast movement. All right, so we still have another floor left, by the way. So here's the other floor now. You got a laundry room here, so you have enough space to iron as well. You've got the laundry space. Now here is the maid's room. So a decent sized bathroom. This is a pretty decent maid's room because, you know, they've got their own private balcony area, kind of wind down, spend some time here. So they've got a complete enclosed area for the maid's room. Now here is your terrace area, the main terrace area. You've got all your AC units here, and then you can put some space here, and you're allowed to even close a partial area as well, so you can do that. Okay, here we go. This is the outside now. Look at that beautiful color, the design, really nice, beautiful design. You even have the shade for the parking, really good detail there. Check out the hallway now. You can put some nice plants like that to make it nice and inviting. And I love this area. Look at that. You got the umbrella, the seating, outdoor seating. This is the spot. This is where you come in the wintertime and just relax, have your tea, have your evenings, here, have a barbecue going there, right? So this is a gorgeous outdoor space. And the kitchen thing is right there, the door. You can see they've built the amenities here as well. A lot of the green spaces, the parks. You can see the quality of the parks around. The landscaping here, really nicely done. You've got a walking track as well. You can see, for example. Nicely done landscaping here. You got the playgrounds.
تحثني فأخوض فيها للنجاة نزاع هي هكذا قيم النجاة تحثني فأخوض فيها للنجاة نزالا لا تسأل المقدام عن سبل العلا ستراه طيرا بالعزيمة جالا